Hello everyone, welcome back in our ENV class. Now today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 24, Web of Life. Now we all know humans have to depend on plants and animals for their life. Now in the same way, animals and plants depend on humans. So thus life is interrelated. Okay? Now see in your textbook, Web of Life. So by now you must have read almost the complete book. So you have read about trees, water, houses, animals, vehicles and many other things. So you must have thought about them as well, right? So can you tell why did we try to know and think about all these things? Yes, our life depends on all these things, and these all things are useful to us in one way or the other. For example, plants, animals, houses, air, water, right, and many other things. So we have tried to know and think about all these things. Now see here, squirrel is depend upon plants and water, right? Birds depend upon water, sun, right? This boy depends upon water, air, houses, soil, right? Air, water, food and a home is very necessary for us to live. Now water is also useful in our life for drinking, bathing and washing clothes and utensils, for farming and industries, then as a habitat for aquatic animals, right? Some animals also useful to us. Animals like cows and buffaloes gives us milk. Then bulls and oxen help in a farming. Horses, camels and elephants are useful for riding and carrying loads. Then some small creatures provide honey, silk and wool to us, right? Air is also useful to us. Living creatures inhale and exhale air, thus living creatures survive only due to air. Now air is necessary for burning of things. Air spreads good and bad smells. Now air spreads sound waves so we can hear various sounds. Then air brings rain clouds to our field and houses. In short, we live on the earth, make homes on it, farm on it, build factories for business purpose, schools, new buildings, gardens, grounds, temples, etc. Right? So the earth is connected to our lives, we must protect it, and the web of our life is connected to all things on the earth. Okay? Thank you, children. I will send PDF file of chapter 24 Web of Life. You have to write in your science notebook.